When our team first started running digital marketing campaigns, we thought the hardest part would be designing the ads, but we were wrong. The real challenge turned out to be creating landing pages that didn't just look good, but actually turned visitors into leads or customers. At first, we used whatever tools we could find and tried different ideas, hoping something would stick. But honestly, it was frustrating, and the results weren't there. That's when we found Unbounce, and everything started to make sense. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with building landing pages that actually convert, we've been there too. So in today's video, I'm going to share our experience using Unbounce, what it does well, where it could improve, how much it costs, and whether it's worth it for your business. With that said, let's get started. Alright, so Unbounce is a drag and drop landing page builder that's been helping marketers since 2009. It was created by a group of founders who were tired of waiting on developers every time that they needed a landing page for a campaign. They wanted something quicker and easier, which is why they started Unbounce. And over the years, they've added features like pop-ups, sticky bars, and built-in A/B testing, making it more than just a landing page builder. It's basically a full toolkit to help you grow conversions without the headache of coding. Okay, so getting started with Unbounce is actually really simple, and that's one of the reasons our team actually decided to give it a try. Once you sign up, everything you need is laid out clearly on the dashboard. From there, you can head on over straight to their editor, which is designed to be straightforward, so you don't need coding skills in order to create professional-looking pages. You start by choosing a template from their large collection, where there's something for every type of business. Once you've picked one, it's easy to customize. You can adjust the text, images, and buttons by dragging and dropping them into place, which is quite fun focusing on the creative side rather than worrying about the technical details. And one feature we found really impressive was the dynamic text replacement. This basically lets you customize the text on your landing page based on what someone searched for before clicking on your ad. For example, if someone searched for affordable running shoes, your landing page will update automatically to match that exact phrase. It's a simple change, but really helps improve conversions. We also really like the A/B testing tool. It allows you to create two different versions of a landing page, like trying out different headlines or call to action buttons, and then compare their performance. This gave us really useful data to see what worked and what didn't, making it easier to improve our campaigns effectively. On top of that, there's smart traffic, which takes things a step further. Once you've created a few versions of your page and gathered some initial data, smart traffic automatically starts directing visitors to the version that's most likely to convert. And the best part is it all happens behind the scenes, saving you time while improving your results. And finally, Unbounce integrates seamlessly with tools like Google Analytics and MailChimp. This made tracking results and following up with leads much easier, since everything worked together without any extra effort. Overall, Unbounce has made creating and optimizing landing pages so much easier for us. It's flexible, user-friendly, and has taken a lot of the uncertainty out of our campaigns, helping us see real improvements in our results. Now let's talk about how much Unbounce costs and what you're getting with every plan. Starting with a build plan, it costs $74 per month when billed annually, or $99 monthly, and is a great option for those just getting started or managing smaller campaigns. You get unlimited landing pages, pop-ups, sticky bars, and access to over 100 high-converting templates. And it also supports up to 20,000 visitors a month and comes with AI copywriting, making it easier to create effective pages quickly. Next is the Experiment plan, which is their most popular option and is priced at $112 per month annually or $150 monthly. This plan is ideal if you're looking to improve your campaigns. It includes everything in the build plan plus advanced features like A/B testing, which lets you experiment with different versions of your pages to see what connects best with your audience. You also get dynamic text replacement to customize your pages based on what visitors searched for, with support for up to 30,000 monthly visitors. Then for businesses ready to grow, the optimized plan costs about $190 per month annually or $250 monthly. And what makes this plan stand out is the smart traffic, which uses AI to automatically send visitors to the version of your page that's most likely to work for them. On top of that, you get advanced targeting options and audience insights, which makes it so much easier to understand who's visiting your page and what they're looking for. Plus, with support for up to 50,000 visitors a month, it's perfect if your business is growing and you want to make sure your landing pages are working as hard as you are. Lastly, if you're running a bigger team or managing multiple clients, the agency plan might be the best option for you. Starting at just under $500 per month when billed annually, this plan includes traffic volume starting at 100,000 visitors a month and comes with advanced collaboration tools to keep your team on the same page. You'll also get setup assistance through their implementation services and, even better, a place in Unbounce's agency partner directory. It's a great way to show skills and get new clients. On top of that, all the plans come with a 14-day free trial, letting you test out all their features and see if it's the right fit for your business. No credit card required. It's an easy way to try it out before making a commitment. And so, if you're thinking of trying out Unbounce, I've left a discounted affiliate link down in the description. It's a great way to get started and save a bit of money compared to signing up directly on their website. Now, one thing that makes Unbounce stand out is how friendly and helpful their customer service is. Whether you're new to the platform or troubleshooting a specific feature, they make it easy to get the answers that you need. Besides that, their live chat support is extremely responsive. When we had questions about setting up smart traffic, the support team didn't just answer quickly. They took the time to explain everything step by step. And so what at first felt like a complicated feature became so much easier to understand and use thanks to their guidance. There's also a knowledge base with guides and tutorials for almost every feature, in case you like to figure things out on your own. Plus, the webinars and community forums are great for learning new tips from people who've been using Unbounce for a while. That being said, while Unbounce has been a great tool for us, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. Like, for instance, there's a bit of a learning curve when you're just starting out. With so many features and tools, it can be a little confusing at first, but after using it for a little while, it became second nature. Another thing to keep in mind is that while the drag and drop editor is super easy to use, creating really unique or intricate designs can take a bit more effort or require some creative modifications. That said, for most users, the built-in templates are more than enough to get started and look professional. Also, the platform works best with a stable internet connection, so if your connection is spotty, it might take a little longer to load or save changes, which can get frustrating if you're in a hurry. Overall though, these are pretty small things compared to how much Unbounce has to offer, but I wanted to mention them so you know exactly what to expect. So to wrap things up, Unbounce has been a huge help for us. It's made building landing pages so much easier and saving us time. And with features like the drag and drop editor, A/B testing, and smart traffic working well together, it makes the entire process easy and efficient. And so, if you're looking to improve your landing pages, whether you're just starting out or already experienced, I'd definitely recommend Unbounce. And with a free trial, you can see for yourself if it's the right option. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're thinking about giving Unbounce a try, I've included a discounted affiliate link down in the description. It's an easy way to get started and save some money compared to signing up straight through their website. And as always, feel free to drop any questions or comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.